Hello, it's only me, Onika, the Super Beauty, and I'm going to talk about how to use tea tree watermelon shea potions. Hello, my name is Onika, the Super Beauty, and I'm here to talk about how to use shea potions for hair and skin. Okay, today we'll be talking about tea tree watermelon shea potion. So, uh, should we start with hair or skin first? Let's start with hair. Okay, so Shea Potions is, once again, I said in my other videos, but I don't know if you don't know, it's a nourishing hair and skin moisturizer. It is not heavy. It's wonderful to use every day. The scents are amazing and it's all natural. So you don't have to worry about breakouts. I created this now 8 years ago because of breakouts I was having, my kids having breakouts, and it's just people here want to grow their natural hair back. They want to stay away from chemicals because they're suffering they're suffering from cancer and stuff like that. So that's why this is one of the main. Those are some of the main reasons I created Shea Potion. Okay, let's talk about where to use it. You can use it in hair and skin, like I said. So let's talk about the hair first. So use it underneath your wigs. And when I say underneath your wigs, I mean when you do your braid down, before you do your braid down, you grease your scalp. It's wonderful when you blowing your hair out. It softens your hair when you blow your hair out, especially at 4A, 4C, 4B, 4A, 4B, 4C hair. It's wonderful to use, and it makes everybody's life better because soon as you grease the scalp, you massage it in your hair as well, make sure it's all over, you start to blow dry, you will see the difference of how if you was to just blow dry it by itself or just a regular oil. Okay, so also with twisting braids, make sure you use that when you make sure you use Shea Potion when you're doing your twist and your braids, because once again makes life easier when you're parting your hair and it's not hurting and it's just soft and moisturized and it's gonna grow wonderful. Okay, we could talk about skin a little now. So Shea Potion clears up skin, meaning like, okay, if you have burn marks, if you have dark marks, if you like to pick like me, I like to pick. I like to pick, I think pimples are scared to come on my face at this point because soon as I see one little, wait, what is that? I pick it. I know I'm not supposed to, but I try my best and I don't want to see it. So I pick it and then I put the Shea Potion. Most likely I use the tea tree watermelon because of the benefits of the tea tree and the watermelon. So let me tell you the benefits of the tea tree though. Tea tree is a known antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant, and these actions will help reduce inflammations and enhance healing. So because I know that, that's why I pick my bumps, but I don't advise anyone to pick their bumps and do what I do. That's crazy, but that's something I'm working on. Anyway, I don't think you need to know that, but just in case people out there that are like me. Okay, what next? Okay, how often to use Shea Potion? You can use it every day. I use it every day. Out the shower. You could leave a little water on your skin, it doesn't matter, or you could just, dry your skin fully and you rub it all over, you moisturize your skin all over. You will feel a difference. It feels much softer. It feels much healthier because you're basically giving your skin vitamins. Just like how you drink vitamins and take care of the outside. And yes, it comes some from the outside to from the inside to the outside. I'm sorry, the vitamins, when you take vitamins, is taking care of you inside so it can show outside. That's what I meant to say. I'm sorry. So these vitamins too is for outside, and I'm pretty sure that it does something for the inside because it has a wonderful glowing effect on your skin, and it just shows, and you will notice it naturally over time. Okay, I love the tea tree watermelon because of the effects, how it heals bruises, cuts, and burns. My son and my daughter have eczema, and my son have a terrible allergic reaction to milk that made him break up all over his ear. I might post it, might not. Most likely I probably would. And his ears was breaking out. It was looking so disgusting. So I took the tea tree watermelon one because I know what the benefits of tea tree is, and I put a boost more of tea tree inside there so that, you know, because it was looking bad. His ears looking crazy, and I didn't want him in school with that. Thank God it was a whole week off of school, so I had time to clear it up. And I mix that in, and I use that every day, the least twice a day. You know, because I have to clean it. Then after, you know, clean it with a wet rag. I like to use black soap. So, you know, make some fuzz, clean it, wet a cloth, clean it with some black soap. It will sting, yes, but you'll be fine. It's killing the germs. Tell them the stinging is killing the germs. And of course, dilute these things before you use it. I'm talking about the black soap. Don't just rub it on with a cloth and then, no, make sure water's involved. Okay, you should keep the product out of sunlight because the natural sunlight will make it turn green. It's a natural product. Most things doesn't belong in the sunlight anyway, but this, it will last a very, very long time, a year plus. You know, I didn't want to say that, but a year plus is actually longer than a year, but a year plus it lasts. But just keep it in a cool area. Don't keep it in the sunlight, bam. Hey, son, how you doing? No, keep it in a cool area, a dark area, and you'll be fine, and that's it. And use it every day. It's a wonderful sunscreen. I do not use sunscreen because of the chemicals. So thank God that I came up with Shea Potion. It took a while to come up with Shea Potion. And of course, I was the trial and error testing on myself and stuff. But the way my skin glows during the summertime especially, I can't, there's nothing else to use. This is the only thing for me to use right now. This is the only thing. I'm not using anything else. This is, I created this for other people to enjoy too. My clients beg me to help them. Years ago when I first was you know, playing with it to see what I can do, my clients was asking me, do you know anything that could moisturize grease my scalp with? I'm just, my scalp is always dry. I want something that smells good too. But this is not only about smells. I want this to, you could visually see the difference of your skin and your hair. So I recommend this for people that like natural products, people that just want to live a certain lifestyle and don't want to have to worry about breakouts. Thank you for joining me, Onika, the Super Beauty. And next time we'll talk about another scent from Shea Potions. Have a wonderful, blessed day.